Stick with me. Yes, sir. I'm like, before you heard J.A. and then Wayne, before Tay, K, Zay, and Bait, before Kane, Dane, Danity, Kane, Lanes, Chance, Kurt Cobain's like Earl and Kurt Cobain, insane. Not really, it's like I'm on trains, the way I push Cole and Meek Millie. On M, pushing M's with Willie, smoking J's with Snoop and Wiz killing, feeling dealing with boring rappers with no feelings, like bombings, K-Dot and Compton ceiling, embalming, calming, keeling, involving, cross-calling, stealing, ceiling, so don't call me, lost in the bass, I caught feelings, I said, what you know now, from my head to my toes now, from my fate to my hate to my soul now, I've been cold now, haven't seen me cold now. Raise one hand for the stream people. Hey stream people, love y'all. Yes sir, we can see it, we can see it, we can see it, we can see it all, we can see it all, we can see it all. Hey, we could see, we can see, can see, we can see, we can see it all. Let's lead them out, y'all. See, we could see, we could see, we could see it all, we could see it, we could see it, we could see it all. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up one more time. Mr. Ryan Vattel.